Hey, I'm Vittal, the head of data science here at Locus. About me, I think I had quite a fun journey. Right after my MBA, I spent almost a decade in investment banking. At some point in time, I wanted to shift gears and change careers. And data science caught my interest. I taught myself the subject. And then Locus was my first interview for that role. And Locus was my first job in that role. And here I am, after all these years, heading the team. It has been fun. Lots of varied experiences that I had, yeah. Creation is always more fun than consumption, isn't it? Right? The thrill, the joy that you get when you really crack a thorny problem, I think that satisfaction is tough to beat. I was self-taught in this area. When I first applied to Locus, I had zero experience in this space. I think the max I must have done was the Titanic dataset on Kaggle. All of you must have done that at some point in time. But what was important was Locus did not look at what I'm bringing to the table in terms of my previous experience, but what I can actually do going forward, right? It's the potential on which Locus took a bet on. And this is something that we continue even today. Betting on people, create a great environment for them, and just watch the magic unfold. Pretty easy. It's geocoding. It has always been close to my heart. It's one of the first projects I cut my teeth on at Locus as an individual contributor. And later when I led a team with a bunch of amazing folks, that's the place where we really cracked it open. Huge strides in the performance of the algorithm. Simple but effective stuff. Solid engineering, right, led to great revenue for our organization and amazing performance for our clients. Though we call ourselves the data science team here within Locus, we're much more than that. Right? We're essentially the innovation team here. We work on NP hard optimization problems, deep learning models, and of late, agentic AI, a super exciting area. Right? We're always at the cutting edge of tech, and that's what work is so exciting for all of us. The real impact of what we do, that's a terrific question. Let's take last mile optimization, for instance. These algorithms help us plan and schedule the customer deliveries. Deliveries which include medicines, time-sensitive equipment, work-related stuff, right? Everything that's important to their lives. Now, imagine if these deliveries are delayed. Plans get derailed, customers are frustrated, and the brand does take a hit, right? Because the promise is not maintained. So better algorithms, like what we do here, helps customers get their packages as promised, and companies run much more efficiently. But more than the companies and the customers, I'd like to talk about the delivery personnel, right? The ones who are actually out there on the streets, toiling hard to deliver our packages on time. Here, when we work on a good algorithm, when we make an improvement in algorithm in such a way that I can finish my job slightly early that day, just 30 minutes, right? There's 30 minutes back to their lives. And this is real impact, making the lives of our delivery partners slightly better. And this is something really which motivates us to keep pushing ourselves, right? To keep pushing the tech, to do just that slightly better than before, to help someone else have more time in their lives.